welcome back. So this is our day 2 for the installation of the parts that we have for our Toyota Sequoia. Last night Teo installed the rear suspension, and then today we're just gonna work on the front. Today we're going to visit Discount Tires because they have the specific tire that I want on stock. As you can see in the back, I have the wheels that we bought. Kuya Jody and Kuya JR will meet us there because I need Kuya JR's truck to load those wheels and tires. It's a rainy day today for Vegas. 51 degrees Fahrenheit, currently 2:39 p.m. right now. So hopefully we finish everything tonight. Because I know my fiance is excited to see the finished product of the Sequoia. So we are now here at Discount Tires, and I checked in already. They're just doing an inspection on the Sequoia. So what we're gonna do is we're going to transfer this TPMS to the new wheels and then just install a regular TPMS there.
That's a big ass fucking tire, dude.
Just like yours.
No, that shit looks tall.
No. The same thing.
Same.
It looks tall.
It's new.
Yeah, it's new.
Not rounded out yet.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. We're able to fit 4. And then they're just finishing up the Sequoia. They're gonna torque the lug nuts, and then we're gonna head out. So we just got home. We unloaded the wheels and tires. Right there. And we have to park JM's Vespa here under the roof. This is raining. Hi guys.
Oh, I forgot. It's an English bag, huh?
Thanks for the help. Yes, because we have most here.
Take it off. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later, okay?
Okay. Teo is here, so I started working. You still have the same outfit. I thought you were gonna bring the Toyota uniform.
Small already.
It's working on the front suspension now.
They don't fit no more.
The uniform?
Yeah.
That means you're working less at CarMax. And then that's our tires. 35 by 1250 18. This is the Toyota Open Country RT Trail. So there's a RT turbo model without the trail version. So he unbolted the sway bar on both sides. What is the purpose of doing that, Teo?
So we're not fighting anything.
There you go.
Should be free.
So the whole thing will lower more. This is our upper control arm. We went with icons. It's the billet style. This is for the passenger. It's like Christmas. Opening gifts. Fronts are in. And Kuya Jody here working on the passenger side. It's also in. I was doing good until that one little bolt kicked my ass. You love this new tires, new tires. Say about the look of the Sequoia.
What can I say? looks good.
Looks good. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So they finally finished the install. Thank you, bro.
Sure.
With our Sequoia. What do you think?
Amazing.
Should I put it in park and then step out? The Sequoia and FJ are parked next to each other. So both of them have 35s. For the Sequoia, we went with Toyo tires. And then on the FJ, we have Nito Ridge Grappler. And both of them are on Kings. This is where we're gonna end our vlog. Thank you, Teo, Kuya Jody, Omar, Kuya JR, for the help. And again, shout out to Chuck, Showstopper Off-Road California, for giving us advice on what to install on our Sequoia. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Peace.